Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save your TikTok video as a draft without posting it. Let's launch a TikTok app. Very easy, very simple guys. I want you to click on the lower center of the screen and click on the plus sign. Let's pick a picture that we want to upload. Let's gonna be this one. Now, I want you to pay attention to the numbers over here. Click next after finishing editing, of course. I want you to remember that this is going to be a draft post, meaning that you want to finish everything that you usually do while posting, because after that, if you want to proceed from draft, you cannot edit it. So you want to make sure you input all the title, description, all the information, all the text, all the data, all the location, and when you're ready to proceed over here, all you gotta do is to scroll down and click drafts instead of post. Now, if you go on your profile and you refresh, you will find the draft over here. It will be on the top left corner. It will be right over here. You have two options. Let's click on it. First option will be to simply post the draft by clicking on it. Click next and then click post. If you change your mind and you want to delete this draft, you have to click on top right corner, you have to select, then you have to click on the actual content and then press delete on the lower center. And this is how you save a video as a draft without posting it. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and come back for more.